Hey Bears, I just wanted to send a little quick tutorial and talk a little bit about a really important program that I use on a daily basis that I thought I would kind of share with you to give it you to have another tool in your toolbox. I completely understand that we're using, 5,000 different applications, websites, different things, but I really think this is worth you spending some time getting to know and use. I'm going to link the actual direct link for you in this email so you'll be able to follow it quite quickly. But again, something very simple, and I use it daily every period that I'm in school. So, Lightspeed is a program that we use to monitor and track students at home, not only for safety issues and making sure they're on task and all that stuff. It really helps when it comes to lower elementary. I find I use it often with kindergarten, with first grade, just to kind of assist them to find something, right? Because you could actually look into their screen. Unfortunately, you cannot click through their screen, but you could definitely walk through what the task is to kind of give them that added support that they need. Two important things that you should know is, one, you can use this program or it'll work with any student who is logged into a school issued Chromebook, and also then their browser, so whatever their Chrome browser. And if they're at home and they're using a device that is not a school issued device or a Chromebook, like for instance, when my daughter is home, I have her on a Chromebook, but it is not a school issued Chromebook. She's logged in with her school email, so you're still able to track them. The only time that you won't be able to track them is if they're not logged into a Chrome web browser. So say they're on a Mac or an HP and they're using, say, Internet Explorer or Safari, and they're not actually logged into Chrome, it won't work. But I find it to be able to see about 85% of students, which is so helpful. So again, I'm going to link the link below, and I'm just going to show you quickly how to get in. And once you get a feel of it, it is so super easy. So all you have to press is sign in with Google, and it automatically links your Google Classrooms. So whatever you have in your Google Classrooms, that's what's going to come up in this drop down. So these are all my classes here at Huber. And let's see, I just had fifth grade in Janino's class. So, well, I guess I'll just pick that one. So I still have time running here. But you probably wouldn't. So say this is your screen when you first pop up, click on the class that you want to see. You might only have 2 or 3 classes here. I just, like all the specials, have everybody in the school, so that's why I have so many. Here you click, you could do a restricting on the browsing. So you could click no browsing. You could actually customize it so you only one website will work. Here you could shoot a link to the students that are at home. Here, there's like class settings you could go to, but right now I'm not even going to go down that rabbit hole. First things first, when you get in, you pick your class, like I said, in this drop down right here, and then you click view schedule. You need to set a duration in order to see the students in the class. So I like to keep it at 30 minutes only because say you're in Ingenito's class, but the students are going to Miss Hackle for math. Miss Hackle wouldn't be able to see the students because you're still viewing them here. So make sure you keep that duration a little smaller, just so the next person doesn't have a hard time trying to see. And here is the class. It's after school time right now, so not everybody is going to be able to be viewing, but we'll click this student. You could actually see she has her email open. She's checking her email. She has her class open. She had my class still open. You could actually see what they browsed most often, what they're currently browsing. And like I said, you can't actually like click their screen. You can freeze their screen. You could lock out their screen. You can record their screen. You could send messages. Do you need help? Great job. Are you done? You could check their browsing history. And then you could also keep recordings. Um, this tool really should be in your toolbox. I know, like I said previously, we have so many things going on, but when you get a chance, take a look at it. I find it to be a really helpful resource. Again, if you need anything, any help, any assistance, please let me know. Thanks.